Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention to the safety features and procedures of this aircraft. During an emergency, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and your seat is in the upright position. This will allow you to get maximum oxygen to your lungs in order to scream in fear more effectively. In the event of a drop in cabin pressure, a mask will fall from the panel above your head. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head and tightening it. If you are traveling with someone who needs your assistance, place the air mask on yourself first and then assist others. If smoke is present in the cabin, the emergency lights on the walkway will guide you to the exits located here and here. Remember, the closest exit to you may be behind you. In the event of a water landing, your seat cushion becomes a flotation device. Remember to bring only the cushion, as the rest of the aircraft is going to sink very quickly. In the event of an extreme landing, you will be asked to get into the brace position. This is similar to the tornado drills you were forced to practice in elementary school and will have equally as little effect. The brace position involves putting your head between your knees and your hands on your head. This is also an excellent position to pray to the deity of your choice. We would like to thank you once again for flying with us. Please turn off all electrical devices at this time. We will be taking off shortly.